she had sugar problem, diabetes, and because of this she could not see. Tonight she can see.
Wow. Okay. Hallelujah. Let's test her vision right now. I am going to hold up some fingers, and you will tell me how many fingers I have now. I will try again. She got it right. And now I want you to try to touch my nose. Reach out your hand and touch my nose. Oh!